Today topic is how to insert node in linked list. In sequential representations, items are arranged in continuous manner. What is the difference in linked list? Compare sequential means in linked list in representation item may be placed in anywhere in memory, not in sequential manner. Then how to identify means with the help of link field. This is the one node. Each node contains two field. One is data field, another one is link field. Data field sometimes called item field. Okay, this is the example. Here this is one node, this is one node. Okay, this representing t, this one is representing I. Get node of function means if I need one new node means I can use this function, that is get node of function. Get node of function mainly use it to produce a new node, empty node. Okay, here this is representing t. Link of t means link of t representing pat. Link of I representing 0. 0 means hereafter no node, it representing null value. How to insert node, then create node and delete node. Okay, first one is how to create t, just creating t. Then call get node of I. Call get node of I means I node 1 will be display. Then t is representing I node given to the t, so t tends to I, so I am indicating t for this node. Then data of I equal to mat. This is I node, data of I representing mat. Then call get node of I. One more node will be representing another node. First node over, that representing data of I equal to mat. This is over. Another node is get node of I. Another node will be displayed. In this field, link of t is given to I. That is, this one is first node representing t. Second one is I. Link of t. Link of t means what? Given to ith node. So link of t is given to I. Then next one is link of I equal to 0. This is I node. Link of I pointing this one. Here representing 0. 0 means null. Next one data of I. Data of I representing pat. Here I am representing the data item pat. There are two nodes. One node representing first one t, then second node representing I. Link of I 0. This is the procedure for create temporary and add node into the list. Next one is how to insert node. This is the procedure for insert of t comma x. Call get node of I, data of I, out, then t equal to 0 means then t tends to I, link of I 0. In my list, no node means t always representing 0. Otherwise means some nodes are in the list, nodes available. Okay, else part will be process for if nodes already in the list. I am going to add in between the node means else part will be work. In my list only I am new node only going to add. My list very empty. My node 1 is the first node in the list means t equal to 0. This is the procedure. First insert of t comma x. Call get node of I. One node. This is called I. Then next data of I equal to out. Data of I representing out. If t equal to 0. This is the t equal to 0. No node in the list. So t representing 0. At the time I representing t. I given to t. Then link of I equal to 0. I representing t. Link of I is 0. Otherwise means you are going to add in between the node, that is you representing x. Here already one list is there. I am going to insert in between x and you consider this is the y. In between x and y I am going to add one node, new node. Call get node of I, same process. My node is display, I representing I. Data of I is equal to vote, so I am representing vote here. then else part. This part over. I am going to else part. Else part what? Already nodes available in the list means I am going to add in between the node. So I am going to use else part. Link of I given to link of x. This is the ith node. Already in old form pointing link of x pointing y. Okay, link of x pointing y. So link of x given to link of y. This is the I node. This one is pointing link of I given to link of x. Link of x is y. Now I left this one, I delete the link between x and y. Then I given to link of x pointing y. This y is given to link of I. Link of x pointing now here is y. Y given to link of y. Y is given to link of I. The next one is I representing I given to link of x. I given to link of x. This array direct link extends to y. I cut the link between x and y. Then given to link of x is y. Y is given to link of I. Then I given to link of x. After that, the output may be changed now. X in between odd will be added. Then y. This is the inserting procedure. Next one is delete. How to delete nodes in linked list. Delete of x, y, t. If y equal to 0, then t gives to link of t. That is first node. Okay. If y equal to 0 means t gives to link of t. That means I am going to delete first node means this is pointing t. Okay, link of t pointing this node. Already know if create a linked list means first create temporary t, then only create node, call get node. Here I am going to delete first node means if y equals 0, then t tends to link of t. That means t pointing this node. I am going to delete this node. So t is pointing to link of t. First representing t, this one. Link of t is again node. This t is I am going to given to link of t. That is mean what? Here this is delete the node. Now pointing t here. I am going to delete the first node. In case I am going to delete in between node means else means link of y is given to link of x. You consider this is y, this is z. I am going to delete node is x. Link of y pointing x. Okay, I given to link of x is link of x pointing z. Link of x pointing z. Link of x pointing z. Z is given to link of y. Z is given to link of y. Z is given to link of y. This is y, this is link given to link of y. Here this link cut. Okay, then return of x. This node is now free. This node is now free. This one is returned to called return of x. This is the delete procedure. Just change the link between one node to another node. Very first node means temporary given to the next link of t. Otherwise in between means which one is going to delete, that link will be given to the preceding before the node. Then call return of x and delete. This is the procedure for how to delete the nodes in linked list.